Good morning. My name is Tanu Virmani. I'll be your examiner today for the IELTS speaking test. Can you please tell me your full name?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Gandharbalan Gauri. You can call me as a Gauri.
Let's talk about your house. Do you live in a house or an apartment?
Yeah, well, I'm living in a house with my family. It is very quiet place where it is located in Hyderabad. So I have been living since my childhood. So I love my house.
What's your favorite room in your home and why?
So my favorite room is my bedroom because I usually spend more time in my bedroom for my studies and my work also. So and along with I like my living room also. I spend most of the time with my family during the dinner and lunchtime, and also watching the movies in the living room. So I like both bedroom and living room.
Is there anything you would like to change about your home?
Yes, ma'am. I like to change my rooms. I changes normally once in a month to organize. I like to organize in my room. So recently I have changed my bedroom. I put some drawing, painting, painting like Krishna, Radha Krishna. Pictures and everything. Recently I done that because it gives more peaceful for me when I do some work and other things.
Do you plan to live there for a long time?
I don't think so. I'll plan to live there for a long time because now I'm planning to go abroad my other further studies. So I'm thinking I'll live in abroad for a couple of years, like 5 or to 10 years. Then I'll think about this house whether I'll stay or not. But currently I haven't any plan to live here for a long time.
What do you like to do in your free time?
Basically, I would like to do in my free time. I'll hang up with my friends in the weekends, but in the normal time, I like to watch series and comedy movies in the Netflix, which gives me more feel energy, mental health, and it help me with mental health and it keeps me energy.
Have your hobbies changed since childhood?
Yes, my hobbies has changed since my childhood because when I was in childhood, I used to have more time to spend for my hobbies. But nowadays, the busy schedule, I cannot give more time to spend for my hobbies. But I spend 10 to 15 minutes every day. But in my childhood, I spent a lot of time for my hobbies.
Do you prefer indoor or outdoor activities?
I prefer mostly outdoor activities because indoor activities it won't think help for my mental health and for relaxation. So I prefer mostly outside. Like I like to play shuttle with my friends every day in the evening after I come to my job. I go to a park and I play shuttle for 20 to 30 minutes every day. That gives me more energy and help me my mental health and it's reduce my stress.
Is it important for people to have hobbies?
Definitely, ma'am. It's very important to people make hobbies because it's a quite of activity they should keep in their life, regular life. At that time, it's help for them to depression and relax from their job schedule and that stressful of the job. So the reason they should keep the hobbies.
Now I'm going to give you a topic. You'll have 1 minute to prepare, and then I'll ask you to speak for 1 to 2 minutes. You can
Yes.
also make notes if you wish. If you want to book your वन ऑन वन स्पीकिंग टेस्ट विद मी सो बेबी कोड एप्लीकेशन को डाउनलोड करो या फिर आप वेबसाइट पे जाकर भी बुक कर सकते हो अपने टेस्ट को। शॉप सेक्शन में जाओ, स्पीकिंग इंटरव्यू विद द टीचर, अपने स्लॉट को बुक करो एंड गिव योर स्पीकिंग टेस्ट। अगर आपको अपनी राइटिंग इवैल्यूएट करानी है तो अपने राइटिंग टास्क 1 और टास्क 2 को शॉप सेक्शन में जाकर अपलोड करो, और रियल एग्जाम टीचर आपको देंगे डिटेल करेक्शंस प्लस अ फीडबैक। Please start speaking now.
Yes, ma'am. The person I could say my father is a very hard work person and very kind hearted. He's still hard working to makes me very a better future. So even in my education, he used to help me a lot for my studies and other activities also. Now I'm working. He is helping me in my work and schedule. He helps in the morning, and when I come to from the work, he also helps me. Like he gives me motivate when I feel down, and also. He helps me for my making decisions and ideas for my other studies, and what I have done. And even my, I could say my mother also is helping more, like as my father. She's makes me very motivated in everyday my schedule, and it's very it's very helping me. It's very helping me to. Keeping my mental health properly, and also it's not only job purpose, even in other places also, like other plans also, it's very helpful me to make my decision easily, and that's it.
Would you like to add something?
uh, no ma'am, thank you.
Okay. Let's talk about role models. Why do people admire others?
Sorry ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Why do people admire others?
Because the people admire others, because if they don't know how to make the decision in their life, they take the help from others, which helps them to make successful in their life. So therefore, they take the admire from others people.
Are famous people always good role models?
Our famous people always good role models. You ask me.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Favorite people's almost good role model, because we our wish every all the time we wish them to make a successful in their life. So that is why I wish they could make a role model.
What qualities make someone admirable?
The qualities they should have, like discipline and time management. That is very important to reach the admire. If they don't maintain like discipline or time management, they won't succeed in their life. So hence it is very important to admire.
How do role models influence young people?
The role models influence people through social media. Nowadays, so many platforms are there, like YouTube and Instagram. So role models are making giving more advices to young people through social media, like example reels and collaboration and everything. So that reaches easily to young people to gain that knowledge, like as a role model.
Has social media changed how we view public figures?
Yes, definitely. Social media changed how we view that public model. Like we easily influenced by social media. Like influencers makes their promotions like clothes and product beauty products. So through that, people can easily influence and improve their view in the public.
Do you think people admire celebrity for the right reasons?
At some point, people admire the celebrities for their right future, but normally people they don't follow what they like. They blindly follow the celebrities, which is not good in their future. I think because they cannot achieve their goals if if they won't follow, you know, comfortably or whatever.
Can ordinary people become role models through social media?
Yeah, definitely, ordinary people can become role models through social media because there's so much internet availability. The reason they'll watch whenever they want and wherever they want. There is no limited process. So if they have interest in role model, definitely through social media they'll become a role models from the social media.
So that is the end of your speaking test. Thank you so much, Gauri. Let me
Thank you,
just give
ma'am.
you a quick feedback. The entire feedback will be updated on your board. So your estimated band is band 5.5. That means you're able to communicate the basic idea. There are frequent pauses and hesitation. You're
Yes,
actually using the
ma'am.
fillers ooh, ooh. So answers are very short and they are not developed. And sometimes you stop while thinking. So which interrupts your flow, right? So to improve that thing, you need to speak in full sentences without speaking. Replace this short fillers. ठीक है practice करो for daily speaking in 1 to 2 minutes non-stop. Second thing, when it comes to lexical resources, your vocabulary is very basic and repetitive. Try to expand your ideas with different words.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
so try to learn simple synonyms. Try to use different phrases. I think this is because. Another reason is. So try to use different phrases. Grammatical range, mostly you have used simple sentences. There are frequent grammar mistake also. Try to use complex sentences. Okay,
Okay.
errors should be low. Pronunciation is understandable, but because of this hesitation and fillers, it actually affects your clarity. Okay, try to speak slowly and clearly. Avoid the rushing and the stopping part. Yeah,
Okay.
wish you all the
Thank you so much.
best. Please keep on practicing. Your score will
Sure, ma'am.
definitely. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you so
Yeah.
much.